How to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on your profile. As you do that, you can see your profile picture. So simply what you can do is tap on the profile picture or the camera icon. Here, what you can simply do is you can just tap on it and tap on see profile picture. So tap on three dotted lines and then here select on edit privacy. Then tap on only me and then tap on save. So this will turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. Whereas if you want to add new profile picture, then you can just tap on the camera icon, select a particular picture over here. So I'm going to select a very random picture over here. You just have to toggle off this option of share your updates to newsfeed. So simply toggle this off and then tap on save and just refresh the page and you'll be able to turn off likes and comments on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.